Welcome back and welcome. This is Living Hope Mixed Farm Uganda. We are looking at local chicken. This is purely local chicken, and they are not crossbred. They are a single breed of local chicken. So we are also raising a parent stock out of the local chicken. Let's enter inside and see what is here. So this is our local chicken. They are doing perfectly well. This is our local chicken. So they are now 7 weeks. These ones are 7 weeks, which means by May 2026 we shall be having eggs out of this local chicken, and we shall also be hatching the eggs into day-old chicks. The eggs we shall be selling out. If you are interested in eggs, we shall also be selling out the day-old chicks after hatching for the local chicken. And there are people who do not want to brood. We shall be able to brood for them up to 2 weeks and sell to them at 2 weeks. And there are people who will want to get birds or the chicken at the age of 1 month, which means we shall also be giving this chicken out at 1 month. And then there are those who will want mature chicken. We shall also be selling out mature chicken. So these are local chicken, and we shall be giving varieties of products. Fertilized eggs, day-old chicks, 2 weeks old chicks, 1 month old chicks, and then mature chicken from our local chicken. So this is our local chicken unit, and we shall be happy to hear from you when you show us that you will be interested in having this breed as well. They are very hardy, they are very robust, they are disease resistant, and they perform even best in free range system. So when you have space, actually the amount of feed that you will give them is actually less than 25% of the feeds that we would give them. And even generally, they do not feed as much as other hybrid. So when you compare the feeds that we give these birds to other chicken, you find that we give them very small amount of feeds, and yet they are doing perfectly well. So these are our local chicken. They are already 7 weeks, as I have said. So by May 2027, we shall be having products from this local chicken. So keep following us and ask your questions on the comment section. Please don't hesitate, because the questions you ask can be something very good for another farmer. We have a YouTube channel, as I said before. This YouTube channel, we give several tutorials on chicken farming, pigs farming, goats farming, and crop farming. You want to grow tomatoes, you want to grow fruits, you want to grow vegetables, you want to grow cassava, you want to grow wheat, rice, any other thing. We have very good tutorials that you can go and watch, and remember to share with others if you benefit from any, so that they are also able to benefit from what we are doing. Let's form a good community of farmers that support one another, so that we have a network of farmers that produce products that will command premium price.